To truly achieve a peaceful life, it's crucial to embrace mindfulness. Take a moment each day to still your mind, focus on the present moment, and let go of any worries or stresses. Engage in mindful activities such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or simply taking a quiet stroll in your garden. As you immerse yourself in these practices, you'll begin to notice a profound sense of calm washing over you. Gratitude is a powerful tool that can transform your life and bring you joy and peace. Take a few moments each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for, whether it's the beauty of a freshly blossomed flower or the sound of raindrops falling gently on your garden. Expressing gratitude opens the door to a world of inner peace and contentment. True peace extends beyond our own well-being. Take the time to nurture and cultivate meaningful connections with others. Share your gardening knowledge, collaborate on garden projects. Connecting with like-minded individuals who share your love for gardening can bring immense joy and fulfillment, leading to a more peaceful life.